What is up guys, Stan this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide the owner's name in Google Drive's file. So first you need to head over to the Drive and then select the file that you want to share. Then on the right side you need to click on these three dots, and from here you need to go to share and then click on share again. And after that you need to give the access to anyone with the link, and after that you just simply need to copy this link, and after copying the link just create a new tab and then paste that link. And after this edit, just remove it till the edit section and then type in copy. When you type copy, this means that your ownership has been replaced by a copied file. So if someone accesses this file, he or she won't be able to access it from your side. He will see that file as the copied file. So the other person is accessing it as a copied file. And this is how you can hide your name in Google Drive. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.